Tired of scrubbing stubborn food splatters in your microwave? What if I told you there's a way to clean it almost effortlessly in just 2 minutes? Today, I'll show you how to steam clean your microwave using nothing but water, lemon, and a bowl. It's quick, natural, and saves you from harsh scrubbing. Definition: microwave steam cleaning is a method where steam loosens dried food, grease, and stains inside the microwave, making it easy to wipe clean. Why importance? A dirty microwave doesn't just look bad. It can cause bad odors, affect the taste of your food, and even attract bacteria. Keeping it clean ensures better hygiene and longer life for your appliance. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with about 1 cup of water. Step 2. Cut a lemon in half. Squeeze the juice into the water and drop the halves in. Step 3. Place the bowl in the microwave. Step 4. Run the microwave on high for 2 minutes until the water boils and steams up. Step 5. Let it sit for 1 minute with the door closed. Step 6. Carefully remove the bowl and wipe the inside with a clean cloth or sponge. Tools explained. All you need is a microwave-safe bowl, 1 lemon, water, and a soft cloth for wiping. Workflow: heat gives steam, loosens grind, gives wipe, gives done. Quick tips: if you don't have lemon, use vinegar instead. For heavy build-up, extend the steaming time by 1 more minute. Always let the bowl cool slightly before removing it to avoid burns. Cost comparison: using this method costs only a few cents with items you already have at home, compared to buying chemical cleaners that can cost several dollars per bottle. And that's it, your microwave is spotless in minutes with almost no effort. Try this steam cleaning hack today and keep your kitchen fresh. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who hates scrubbing, and subscribe for more simple home hacks.